What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're talking about the 5 essential things you want to keep in your Jeep for the wintertime. If you travel anywhere in New England or any of the northern states during the winter months, you know that the roads can get really treacherous. We can hit huge snowfalls overnight and makes driving difficult.
And cars smashing into trucks.
Light snow breaks out,
leading to sporadic power outages.
Snow and ice accumulation.
Whiteout conditions.
Could mean dangerous travel conditions tomorrow.
Well, sometimes you'll have some emergency situations that you need to handle, and it's best to be prepared with the essentials and keep those in your Jeep. You want to keep those essentials in your Jeep so you can be prepared. You don't have to worry about what if. You have all the stuff you need right in the Jeep. So if you run into any situation, you should be able to get yourself out and not worry about getting lost, stuck, or trapped during the winter time. All right, so the first thing I keep in my Jeep at all times during the winter is this shovel. Now this is a really cool shovel. It's a fold-out shovel. So that way, if you need to dig yourself out of something or you get stuck in the snow, you have something that's gonna get you out. It's in a very big shovel, so it won't do much, but it's really gonna help out. It's gonna be something rather than nothing. This is small, it doesn't take up a lot of room, and it's a great idea to have some kind of little shovel in the back of your Jeep. That way, if you get stuck or someone else gets stuck and you need to help them out, you have a shovel. Now, the second item you wanna keep on hand is a nice recovery rope, nice recovery strap without any metal hooks on the ends. Most of you who off-road will already have this in their Jeep, but if you don't, it's definitely a good thing to have in the back of your Jeep during the winter. That way, if you see a car stuck on the side of the road, you want to give them a hand, you can yank them out. Or if you get stuck and you need someone to yank you out, you have some way to attach it to your vehicle, and you have something to attach to your vehicle and yank yourself out. So a nice long, it doesn't have to be super long, but a good recovery strap is definitely a must in your Jeep during the winter. Number 3 is one of these little jump starter kits. Number 3 is a jump starter pack. This is the Duracell one. I did a review on it. If you want to check it out, I'll post a link up above and in the description. I really love this little jump starter, and it's replaced the jumper cables in my Jeep. And this is a quick, easy way to be able to jump start your vehicle or someone else's in the winter. Maybe they get, maybe their battery's dead, maybe your battery's dead. And this has up to 25 jump starts. When those cold mornings come and you have a dead battery, it's gonna come in handy. You can charge your phone so you can call for help if your battery on your phone dies too. So another good thing to have in your vehicle at all times is a dry, extra warm pair of socks, hat, bright hat, so that way if you're on the side of the road, people can see you, and gloves. These are some kind of essential items that everyone has. If you toss an extra pair in your Jeep, you're not gonna regret it. There's gonna be some point where you're gonna use it and it's gonna come in handy. If your feet get cold, then your whole body kind of gets cold. So having that dry pair of socks is really gonna come in handy if you step in a puddle or something. It's gonna be really nice to have those. Number 5, my 5th and final thing to have on the list is a light. Now, you might have seen my recent video. This is the Mycanic Pod Light. It's the second version. You can mount this thing pretty much anywhere. Just magnets to the side. If you're on the side of the road, that way you can see what you're doing. As you can tell, it's already getting dark out. It's like not even 4 o'clock. It gets really dark really early in the winter, so having an extra light that you can see if you have a flat tire or something is really beneficial to have in the winter. Those are my 5 items that I keep in the Jeep during the winter months to keep myself safe and be able to help out anyone I see off the side of the road. I'd love to hear what you guys keep in your Jeep during the winter, especially if you live up north or in the New England area where you see lots of snow. So drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your 5 that you keep in your Jeep. So speaking of winter, it's getting cold out here, so I'm gonna go inside and get warm. But as always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out. So those are my top 5 items. I'd love to hear your top 5 Bye. Always guys, stay bearded. God, I can't talk tonight.